Hey guys, I'm James, Master Instructor of the Ding King Training Institute here in Southern California, and with me I've got 3 graduates that have been here with us for a little while. These 3 guys here now decided to use their post 9/11 GI Bill or the vocational rehabilitation program. Now the Ding King's been recently certified to start accepting the post 9/11 GI Bill and any, and all the other approved chapters and vocational rehabilitation. And right here I've got Anthony, I've got Jordan, and I have Zach. Now, Anthony and Jordan, you guys came through, you guys just finished 8 weeks of, what were the courses? You took dent repair, you did paint, you guys did everything,
Everything,
right?
yep, window repair, tent work, headlight restoration, you name it. Yeah, everything you guys offer.
Now, how do you guys feel, as far as going through all this training now, getting home, packing up all your stuff and getting home to do this? You guys feel pretty comfortable with the knowledge that was given to you guys?
Most definitely. It's a little bit overwhelming, all the information you guys give us, but at the same time, it's so much knowledge that you can take back home with you. And you have, so much more opportunity to be able to go home, make money, or, do something for yourself, or even go into business with somebody else, and, just more opportunity, to say the least.
Now, how do you feel?
Yeah, I'm definitely ready. I think I'm ready enough to go home and start making some money, so...
Now, we've got Zach now. Zach has only been here with us 5 weeks. Now, you came through, you did dent repair, you did wheels, you did, what else? Windshield, interior.
Headlights,
and odor.
Yeah.
You did a lot also.
Yeah, I did the recon package number 3 through the post 9/11 GI Bill.
Mm-hmm.
So, same as these guys, a lot of information. Most of the stuff is, as long as you follow the steps as you teach them, you're going to come out with a good product. But the paintless dent repair, that's really the only thing that's going to take some practice. I've got probably about 4 full weeks of training on the PDR total, and outside of the other courses, and it's going to take some more practice when I leave here. So that's just something I know I'm going to have to do and just get better as time goes on. So.
Well, that's just PDR in itself. With PDR, it's an ongoing practice no matter what. The difference is between now and 10 years from now, you're just getting paid more to practice.
Right.
That's the only difference, But, for you guys are going to be going into business together, right? And what's your plans when you get home with this?
So I have a business already started called Old Line PDR, and I'm going to be trying to just promote that and market that and see how it goes. Hopefully I get some calls. So.
Now, what was the company name again?
It's called Old Line PDR.
Okay.
Out of Maryland.
You got your website all set up and
not
all
the
that stuff ready
website.
to go?
I got a Facebook page. I'm going to try to get a hold of Todd maybe when I get back and get squared away and try to get some help with that. We did a little sit down with Todd the other day, and that's just something that he offers to help you out on building that, showing you what how to get through Google and the Google AdWords and all that stuff to kind of get rated at the top. So when they click on the page, it's right there. So.
Yeah, really good head start as far as businesses go, trying to get everything off the ground. It was really helpful with it.
Yeah, Todd's full of a lot of great information.
Oh, yeah.
Now, you guys come up with the name for your business yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I came up with Mirror Finish, Dent and Detail.
And that's going to be in Iowa,
Yep,
right?
in Iowa.
And Zach, you're over in Baltimore, Maryland.
Frederick, Maryland.
Maryland, not
Frederick,
Baltimore.
Maryland.
So you guys are going to be going into business together, going to plan on doing this, and what's your guys' time frame on how soon you guys are going to start? You guys starting
Tomorrow.
Monday?
Yeah, 26 hours from now, basically.
What's your plan?
Yeah, seriously.
Right away.
Yep, exactly. Already hitting up dealerships. We talked to some people back home already, and just get the ball rolling. That's all we can do. Like I said, practice PDR as much as we can on the side, and just try and get business going.
Now, you said you have your business established already, so you're same thing. You're going home. As a matter of fact, you said you're going back to work tomorrow.
Yeah, I got to work tomorrow.
You got to get out there, get on a plane, and get home.
6 a.m.
Now, lastly here, what would you guys say of all the things you guys did here, whether it was a course or actually one of the courses, what was the one that you guys just enjoyed the most since you guys were here? Because I know there's a couple of them, like paintless dent repair, for instance, is difficult, but a lot of guys really enjoy doing paintless dent repair. And repairing vehicles and seeing the finished product and so on. What was your guys' the one that you enjoyed the most?
I like PDR, but I think, as you've been able to see the whole time, for some reason I just enjoy the paint program a lot more. All of them, are unique in their own way. It's neat to figure out how to either restore something or make it look better, things like that. But yeah, I think paint was good for me. PDR close second.
What about you, Jordan?
I think for me, PDR would probably be number 1. I think it's enjoyable to see the dent actually work itself out.
How about you?
I like PDR. I tell you, I really liked to see the finished product of a chipped windshield.
Mm-hmm.
That was cool to see that it almost disappears.
To watch
I never thought it was just gonna.
kinda,
I thought it would
yeah.
just still be the outline, but yeah, that was pretty cool. And then close third was wheels, so that was pretty neat with the paint as well. So
Yeah, even with what you. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No, go ahead.
Just like even what you did with the interior repair, that was pretty remarkable. I mean, it's just neat how you can make it look like it was never there to begin with.
That's our goal, to get it as close to factory as possible, you know. But you know, with you guys, you know, I hope that I hear from you guys a lot. I know you guys all said that you will reach out to us, and everybody says that, you know. But I really hope that I hear from you guys. I love hearing the success stories later on. I love seeing the before and after stuff. I love hearing all the pains and the complaints and the gripes and, you know, all that stuff also, you know, on top of it. But to the three of you guys, I wish you all the luck in the world. I hope that you guys are very, very successful with this, you know, and if you guys are struggling, make sure you guys can always reach out to us, okay? And good luck to all of you guys. It was great meeting you guys. And to all of you guys out there who watch our channel and follow us, if you guys are past students, former students, your future students, you're totally on the fence, you're undecided, and you have questions, reach out to us. Give us a call at 1-800-304-3464. Look us up on the web at thedingking.com. You can reach us on our social media platforms, whether it's Facebook at the Ding King Training Institute, Instagram official Ding King, and here on our YouTube channel. And again, if you guys have any questions pertaining to, you know, any one of our services, or are now being approved to accept the post 9/11 GI Bill and all the other chapters, again, give us a call, or you guys can email Michelle or share at michelle@dingking.com or share@dingking.com, or again, give us a call if you have any questions pertaining to that. And you know what? We hope that you guys keep following along. And if you guys get a chance, or when you guys get a chance, head on over to custompdrtools.com and look us up. We've got a lot of new pretty cool trick tools that are on there, some interchangeable, you know, tools and ratchet handles and all of that stuff, and a bunch of all of our other accessories. And you know, we hope that you continue watching us, and if you've been with us since the beginning, thank you guys. And from these guys here, we'll be seeing you guys very soon.